What's up, y'all? In this video, we'll be installing a core support cover from Etchus.com. The kit comes complete with all the hardware you're going to need, new covers, new hardware, and the core support cover. You will need to reuse the rubber grommets that are on the side that hold the radiator in place. And for this install, you're only going to need a 10mm socket, a 5mm hex, and a flathead screwdriver. All right, as you can see here, we have a stock radiator cover, stock LT1. First thing we're going to do is get this air box and resonator out the way. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. And this is the way I do it. Go ahead and undo your filter housing. Disconnect your mass airflow sensor. Move it to the side. Next, we have 4 10mm screws holding the factory core support cover in place. We'll go ahead and get those removed. And we can just lift the old cover out of the way. We are going to need to retain these factory isolators. Be gentle. Push down. Pull that one out. And just push them out, just like that. We'll sit this to the side. And we'll install them in our new radiator cover. You have a larger hole and a smaller hole that coincide here. So it'd be very hard to put it in backwards. And you can use a little lube if needed to get these to press in. There's one. And this one is damaged, just missing a piece here. Perfect. All right, we got that installed onto the new radiator cover. So we're going to lay this in place. Making sure the rubber isolators sit on the edge of the radiator. Make sure the holes are lined up. We'll place our washers in. We'll just go ahead and get them started. You want to put these in loosely first before you tighten them down. All right, there's a 5mm hex. Just start those